Hello everyone and welcome to today's drawing tutorial. Please feel free to leave a comment and like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. To draw this cute little acorn, we'll start by drawing a wide curved line at the top. We'll add a small curved line on the left and then on the right. And now we'll add a U-shaped crescent in the centre. And then add another to the left of it. And then to the right. Above that, we're going to add two more U-shapes in the middle. We'll start with one on the left, and then we'll add one on the right. We'll join this line up either side with two more crescent shapes. Finally, we'll add one more U-shape in the middle, and we'll join that one up on the left and then on the right. Now we're going to draw a slightly curved line on the left and then an identical one on the right. Drawing a little at a time on either side helps us to keep it symmetrical. We'll draw a longer, more curved line here and a matching one on the other side. We'll add a small line on the top and then another one beside it. We'll join these lines together and now we have a finished acorn. I'm going to add eyes to mine though. We'll start with a nice circle on the left and a matching circle on the right. To create some cute highlights in the eyes, I'm going to add a large oval shape and then a smaller oval and then an even smaller circle. And then I'm going to draw these exact same shapes in the right eye. Finally, we'll add a curved line for the smile. And now it's time to colour. Don't forget to add the pink blushes on this little acorn's cheeks. Thank you so much for watching.